On today's episode of Real Talk while I make my Greek yogurt, I think as a mom, we have a serious role to play in protecting our children. These days, so many innocent kids as young as 4 to 10 years are being molested by people they know, people we trust. It's painful, but that's the truth. Please, mothers, let's not be silent. Let's teach our children early about good touch and bad touch. Let them know that their private parts are private and nobody should touch them except you, their mother, not even in the name of play or help. And to our young girls, maybe if you have kids between 14 to 18 years, we also need to educate them that they should not allow anybody to take advantage of them. Some of these pedophiles go as far as telling those teen girls that they are big girl now. Why are you doing like you're a small girl? Do you get? So we need to teach them that a man that really loves you would not want to destroy you or your future or take advantage of you or tell you to do things that you are not supposed to do. Many of these men take advantage of their innocency and later leave them with regrets. So please, moms, let's be close to our girls. For me, I will try as much as possible to make my girls very comfortable with me as they grow. Yes. Let's try to talk to them, guide them, pray for them so they don't fall for those traps that can change their lives forever. On a lighter note, I am making Greek yogurt for my family. It has become one of my favorite healthy treats to make for myself and my family. It's rich in protein, great for digestion, helps keeps the tummy flat and fuller for long. And I really love that, being that I'm trying to lose weight. You can also take it as plain yogurt, you can mix it with fruit or even use it as a base for your smoothie. See you guys in my next one. Bye bye.